हेलो व्यूअर्स, आज मैं सिमेट्रिक ग्रुप के बारे में बोलने वाली हूँ एंड उससे पहले परम्यूटेशन क्या होता है, व्हाट इज़ परम्यूटेशन, वो जान लेते हैं। सो लेट एस बी ए नॉन एम्प्टी फाइनाइट सेट। ओके, नाउ ए बाइजेक्टिव मैपिंग if S to S, this is called a permutation on S। एक बाइजेक्टिव मैपिंग एक नॉन एम्प्टी फाइनाइट सेट से उसी सेट पे मैप कर रहा है, सो वी से दैट F is called a permutation on S and the number of permutation is n factorial, that is the number of bijective map. So for example, if we take S is equal to A1, A2, A3, the three elements, then number of bijective map F S to S. What? At the first, A1 goes to A1, A2 goes to A3, A3 goes to A2. The second case, A1 goes to A1, but A2 goes to A2, A3 goes to A3. Now the third case, that is A1 goes to A3, A2 goes to A2, A3 goes to A1. The fourth case is A1 goes to A2, A2 goes to A3, A3 goes to A1. Fifth case is A1 goes to A2, A2 goes to A1, A3 goes to A3. And the sixth case is A1 goes to A3, A2 goes to A1, A3 goes to A2. So this sixth case happens here. So here S contains three elements and the number of permutation we get 3 factorial, that is 6. So if S contains n elements, then the number of permutation is n factorial. Okay. Now what is symmetric group? Let S be the set of all permutations on the set 1 up to n. Let us examine if S forms a group with respect to multiplication of permutation. Here we consider a set of n elements, so obviously the number of permutation is n factorial. We have to show that S forms a group with respect to multiplication of permutation. Okay, so let's prove. Okay, to prove that S forms a group, we prove that the four condition holds. That is, the first property is closure property, second property is associativity, third is identity holds, and fourth, each element has inverse in the set. So the first property is closure. So let us consider two permutations in S. Okay, we know that multiplication of two permutation is also a permutation. So obviously F dot G is a permutation. So this holds in S. So the closure property hold. The second property is associativity. Okay, since the composition of mapping is associativity, so multiplication of permutation is also associative. Okay, so second condition is also hold. Third condition, the identity permutation, that is 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, and so on, n goes to n. Now when I equal to this, we can see that I dot F equal to F dot I equal to F for all permutation F in the set S. So I is the identity permutation. Now the fourth condition, that is inverse property. Let us consider a permutation F, that is 1, 2, 3, 1 goes to F1, 2 goes to F2, that obviously this belongs to S, this is the permutation. Now we know that if we consider G, that is F1, F2, Fn, and that is 1 n, that is F1 goes to 1 and Fn goes to n. This also belongs to S and G is called the inverse of F. So here the four conditions hold here. So we say that S is a group with respect to multiplication. Okay, the fifth condition is the commutative property. Multiplication of permutation is not commutative. For example, if we consider a permutation F, that is 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, and all are 3 goes to 3 and dot dot n goes to n. And we consider another permutation G, that is 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1, other remains constant, that is 2 goes to 2, 4 goes to 4 and so on. Now if we multiply the permutation f dot g, then it is here f dot g, that is 1 2 and 1 3. This is 1 3 2. But when we multiply g dot f, then 1 3 1 2, this is 1 2 3. So they are not equal. So we say that S dot is a non-commutative group. So this set S is a group, but it is non-commutative. This group is called the symmetric group of degree n, and it is denoted as Sn. So this Sn is a non-commutative group under the multiplication. Okay, thank you.
Crowd going wild, there ain't no stopping. Whoa.